Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my other videos, please subscribe. If you want to see more about what happens in my life, well, I have other videos of a bunch of other stuff. So today's video, that's why you pressed play. It's to see my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton. So I haven't opened it, so let's open it. Alright. So this is how it comes. With the cute little bow, and I'm not sure what this is, so let's move it out of the way. So let's open it up. Okay, so I believe this is the receipt, but let's just make sure. Okay, so it comes like this, and it says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experts, artisans with exclusive materials, then packaged with the utmost careful following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substance, such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizer, or disinfectants. Find our complete care instructions at Louis Vuitton." So because right now we're in quarantine, they give you this cute little, especially don't use any type of hand sanitizers or disinfectants. And then it just comes with my return or exchange receipt. And since usually at the store they give you these with your receipts, but since I ordered it online because of this whole quarantine thing, they give me either the return label if I want to return it. So there's a return label. So that's that. And then it comes with this cute little bow. And then I'm gonna show you guys. So it comes like this in this cute little box. So let's open it up. Okay, so you guys saw it before me. So it comes in the cute little dust bag. So mostly all, if you don't know about Louis Vuitton, everything comes in dust bags. Usually every designer, like expensive designer, comes in a dust bag. So I ordered the Kirigami set pouchet. I'm probably saying it wrong, but so this is the large bag. So it comes with one dust bag since it's a whole set. So let's open it up. So it's nice and pink. It says Louis Vuitton right here. The buttons right here says Louis Vuitton, and the inside is pink. And this is kind of like those Russian dolls that you open one and more comes out. I think those are those dolls. But anyways, so let me show you guys. So it's pink inside, and this is the big one. I'll put pictures so you guys can see. I've seen a lot of people add chains to them. They can carry it, like this. They carry it so many ways. So I believe this is like a perfect starter kit. Once you start with the, getting your first Louis Vuitton item. I got it straight from the store only because I wouldn't want to get something that's not original, so I just wanted to get something from the store. There is websites that sell original stuff with certificates, so it's up to you guys. But I've seen these online for like $900, and I paid the whole set only like $700 on the Louis Vuitton website. They do say sold out most of the time, but what you do, you call to check for availability. Most of the time they tell you they're on back order, but like in my case it was on back order, and they still shipped it 2 days after. And they said, "Oh, you're gonna, take forever for it to arrive." So that's that. So yeah. So this is a comparison to this size. I brought my Michael Kors wristlet so you guys can kind of see the difference. So it's about the same, a little bit smaller, but this is a large Michael Kors wristlet, so it's almost about the same kind of. This is a little bit bigger, but just so you guys can get the size comparison. And then it comes with this other one. This one's like, I believe the size comparison is like to fit your passport in your bag. This one, I believe the inside's red. Yes, the inside's red on this one. So the same thing, Louis Vuitton, the little button, and I just got the monogram leather design just because I mean for this one, for being the first piece, I believe it's like a really good first piece just because you get 3 little pouchettes for the for $700 compared to getting one big one, so you get like 3 cute little ones that you could do multiple things with. This one I've seen they add like little chains, or they sell like these little inserts. So that's that. And then so yeah, that's the inside of the, and then of course yeah, so that's that. So it's really cute. This one, oh, you can fit, let me show you guys. You can fit your passport in there with a lot of room. So, and the comparison to what I have that's similar to this size is this Kate Spade passport cover. So it's about the same, well, kind of about the same. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the size comparison if you don't have a Louis Vuitton, so you can kind of figure out the size comparison to them. And then this is the last one. This is really cute. The inside's like a fuchsia, I think. Yeah, well, not a fuchsia. It's more like a burgundy, like a dark red. So anyways, this one's really cute. You can fit like your cards inside. So I brought some cards so you guys can kind of see, like, see, perfect. So this is kind of cute, like, you know, put it in your pocket. You're going somewhere, you're going to a club, you just put your ID or something. Grocery store right now with all this stuff going on, you really don't want to carry something big. So you can just carry your cards, your ID, and, you know, put it in your pocket. Go to the grocery store, you don't have to be touching a lot of stuff. So that's the really good thing. But just remember, no hand sanitizer on these because they are going to get ugly. So if you want to, you know, maintain them, this nice quality, and that they last you a very long time, just, you know, keep them nice and clean. So yeah, this is a set of 3. So I wanted to show you guys again. The large one, the medium size, and the small one. So yeah, these are the size of these cute little Louis Vuitton pouchettes. I'm probably saying the name wrong, but I'll put the link below for the Louis Vuitton app. So yeah, these are the 3 Kirigami, I believe, pochette set. So there you go. So if you guys want to see more videos, just subscribe, and then also stay tuned. I do post a bunch of random videos about my life, so if you guys want to see more, go ahead and subscribe if you do, or if you want to see any other type of videos, just please comment below. I'll gladly respond to you guys. So bye, see you guys next time.